are Toto or London, no say Nkoma Marian, your dear wife. Eba say their member should anymore. Ajua Jisu also say Nkoma, the dear to be. And I want to the variety to the next day. Are you over 5 say Nkoma variety top taste?
Need dears to be.
That was a top taste. As the variety does more, you are Akai a sexual time and from Hitman. Oh, in that way.
DJ Hitman.
But my no sabas body you. Yes, and I'm a 2 one. I'm saying, Namia be.
No,
who's a team? Or mine also a teacher. Obi yeah Obi Osebosu Asempa Ekosi saying I thought there be no man in tio or man in cause you don't have to talk like that not her teacher answer na adwasa na kunkum and then the birthday or your mind teacher there be or your mind student
or my here
chena there answer na your men's wife I'm a here from I'm a here and so
why it's doing it do baby na ze muze yeah teacher for sir hard because what we go through and sana ya benya end product which is
what you went through because now you are no more
wouldn't say we can be near short teachers from a teacher for abra yes and so ye pebia ka hu nyina media for ni media
oh what teacher for ko
sports for you was saying what would him say Andy friend say obey teacher train teacher
I see
friend say my show
sir
well we am yan so we training college we akọ kepkos
asa akọ wi aka
ho I think Africa kepkos one body aka ti ko head
asa you akọ amete now you teacher
oh me dey mancha wo
Pacho KTC in just akomoza
I the KTC teacher na
na no teacher get say me child dey na about 12 na mani
me mama kwa ba bibia na me kwa so dey
nkeye eyara kosi say enu anwumre
okay
Ghana Police Service
aye
ma miensa
okay
eti no krenie amanne no
enya miensa we nan
amanne no ya dwendwe no
okay
akosoro no krenie adwendwe
no akosoro so na poso mama nkai wona ehwe ne wona etie say LG inverter air conditioners and LG na dia ba almost life is good Societe Generale and so say the future is you Vodafone the future is exciting Apollonia City Development Accra's new city Cowbell, our milk, latest foam, your partner for life, Agbeve Herbal Center, Wayaresefi, Feco Spray Starches, look sharp, but I don't pay text, I'm in the mouth. Do community say, Ubeti Master, my pension about Quasa, a corner person.
Oh, my pension is serious, and they just would go. And a great only omutones.
Okay, it is a Neniaja was listening.
And only
make a fire dinner ministry.
We'll be a quick commercial.
Now that's a choice. I say, now, I'm a media run way. O my him kasa me wura ho na me boa.
What's the problem?
Me wura ho ye. Debi. Ono wan no mani abre.
Wow.
Me wura ho ye.
What's the problem?
I'm still standing by asama mamiti wa be ka che Ghana for say. Omo the 3 months na investigation ko hu bebi ankwada no wo. Na ono be make sure say ankwada ne be back. I still believe her and I'm standing by that.
That's how.
Yentra ho.
DNA dey unique.
Oh, abushafo ne so omo ntiase. Etu ne wan na atra ho. Police for na atra ho. Ba ye de me ne abushafo no yentra ho. Ye da so gina bebi gina na bosha na ma me de be hye yen no. Enu aso ne gina. O say tie your voice na no pay. O say I will make sure na say a personal declaration. So mo beba.
I see.
Enu so mo de bosome miensa na ye hwemu ko hu bebi ankwada no wo. O my hene bosome miensa and how many days? 90 days. In the police for the investigation. and nobody ko baby ankwada no it we still stand by that ebusuafo nso omu nyintuma omu dika
I see
yeah enkopem so omu be omu make us say police for new but we are standing by the promise and we are demanding some kranimra.
Okay, but mini sexual the air during this oppose for na be kase.
Me dem make say wo maami no say dey omo kan ye no. O kai say the deputy ne be ka say Ghana Police Service wo mo animonyam e na wo mo nim say wo mo edidi agrontu wo mo ntoto na se. But say wo me ahu say ye de ani to wo mo so a wo mo department no so a ye nsa besi form. Eti the right thing must be done. So bit me eba be si ne bo kasa pem ne bo say ade wei minim mensa si bibi so enti minim se bibi se betimi asi na sa asam na wo kan ye no it turns out say na enya no kre se nkwada ye wu amomu no mpen akokwa na minim sa DNA na omu ye na chi no ye scientific bones no hu nkwada nu efri mu na dodo a adia Nanki ya dia toto ho ahwese time obeka say we know where the girls are. They are safe no.
Kojo fojo. Ei patro da ma se money. Sa panyimu ni din kita ho a wa ben wo forensics. Wo se bia e ko tu sa na mo no. Woni ya ben for pa ba se adwuma. Is that correct? Anti e tie sa de se de be nyina ho betoyin.
Mine na abita na wa bata na biwa.
The main thing se de be nyina ho betoyin. Enti because ye ntia na ebia ekododo ho because kojo eno anwumre kojo be ni issue so na ekwa aboachoa omo nkomodie ni nyina kogina ase ye hwese ana montu Ghana Police Service tu no eye ni so ba bia de ko ase enkoye sa anhwemu no eye ni so eno achi nso no abusuafo no sa nkomo IGP ankasa de atudwa no so ho asem edigo yentie de kojo nkomo na de ba na afia to
ya mo ni akono na nso no police for crime lab no ni omo ye ne say on say omu sabi enompe bones ena na e was of the tank no mo enti na etiene say omu go sano maku na ebusuafo no so se dia eja na say omu ma me no ma na so papa no ma na so mu nua no tan so ama the friend a reference sample na ye sample I to say sabi o ni omu me an septic tank no omu de be compare against no one who say there's a match and to say infant ubia or tiasi phone back one infant to the kind of almost the median best compare near said you no farm or septic tank or make comparison musa not a match or what say infant say jam say or not and not the normal day 99.99%. Say we nip a penny and I say bones we no if we we are not say now we hope say almost the infant to be our finance to be at so yeah and also 13% sanity yeah but on the crime lab no almost very good and so you are more to international standards
yeah Ghana proceed for no
Mena make a show because Sabio almost could training or Ghana ha. I could training or France, Toulouse. I could training Vilnius in Lithuania. I just say I'm an DNA practices and also procedures are moyano. And no been so no ha. Equipment was to be a woman and no been our ha. So say almost international standards, no. Normal the culture will say results need to say and not to say but what's your jitum?
If you say na abusuane se wotie woni e watchakra de no mo nsem bi a omo koje samples no na omo ka na wofo ni bi chem se omo de omo nyi ni se eyomo ma na nkasa ne yakosesa no wo seti tank nim ti se mpanimfo ko na omo de results bi aba se eyomo ma no a omo nyi ntum eni ese omo be sresre omo be pachew asresre sika dia kwa abrochire akoye sa DNA ni bi akohwese yomo ma na omo be ko ena anwumre wo ka che ese omo abo ha sei no so omo ka che ese ye nkwada no ayanyi woni na omo so omo ye pabene
mame no kre DNA in chatro
emfa ho ne ba bia yaye no
the in chatro and as a procedures no be used omo use sa international procedures now results omo benya no Ghana no sa results na no benya no amaname Now near Busia for no cannon, Mr. CHS said you almost wrong at this year. And to know say and so say ye can be a tia who quite say result be a banner. Who quite the say Yatidian. Then so ye per se ye fifi mubium. Yet independent group. No more so another independent laboratory. No more so execution. So almost back to the same conclusion on that. Your own right to do that. But the Americans say, send you mean send Ghana police, DNA lab, send you almost happening woman. Now almost procedures in any amount on the DNA send dear. So almost they can be say, I was here to. But of course, I was here yet take Nebusian so can I say. Now you who's almost one point say almost a bit near the same mobile.
Doctor, yana wasi enyumre.
Okay, so what to say nyaba akuya boachiwa beni issues and rather Adom FM so enyume no ne penyipa just on do specialist about DNA who says sama atuchen komonti sechuwa dem pese me kanono what
me dey here me pano no me pese me hunu ebra.
Okay, you better trust me quickly and call manasona ye nyaba makojo yanksin wa homa so na ontimi mo with the reality on the ground anopa we kojo mache
yeah.
Well, men can say bibia boko there, but what could do bia ayesa ansem nyina SCCC. And they adiachi ebusuafo takrade adehye ene adofo de importing aneko.
Lukwenyim anapay na menam kwando moroko route lab question na ebusuafo wonfie ewo diabeni. Menam kwando do no. Na in fact, umuhu de obiara ade tide monso mu na ebufu na wozishiam wo route lab question if ho nyame na won buefu oye Ghana police won webufu na wozitwa mu ho shia obiara rekaneze wo patch de ma police fo worry no won jintum wonye won nya adwen ende wonye won nya adwen china wo true de police fo wa hyeda ena wa hyehyɛ there them one number one biewu na one start na ama investigation no ni dey twa and once the one jinzi the one number na ewu we feel the police for any day number 7:30 na wo bopo e won fie ho da wo bobo amazɛ no onupo onye na ekese obi ya enkwa na fa mpanyimfo na wa che de se eyi bibi oto dem a you must be sensitive or da adwen ho da enho anyi won rekozi dem nkita ho so obi twahwe enyimbi dem a ahoche botum aba inta asem bi dem no ebomodo na area na anopa a obiara n'enyu adado na akobodam amanre no inti the way a police wo bopoi won ho oye ene da anofa no ebusuafo no won enyu anje ho kra menye route la question na maame ka say onu mpoza or patch the police fo no wo press conference wo TV do wie ansana enwona wo befie ho wa abobo amanre no wo bodu ho na manre no so wo boy no wambo ni ye osande wo bisansem bebre fa result no ho wan fa crack e biara mpo am be kire won there test ayeye ni result ni inten won is won jinzi na nsama wo bisa police fo a wo ba fie ho ni nyina no we nya no waka kire won there police president or be from one into won nsem nyina won pem bisa president no kwa so ma mpanyin ekufu ado se ebusuafo no wɔkyerɛ a ɛne da na fa ɔfrɛ wɔn da ɔpɛda ɔnye wɔn kasa na ebusuafo no wanja ntum wanye ɔmampanyin ankasa
kojo dia asem na kan no
mese de ebusuafo no wɔse ɛne da ɔmampanyin ekufu ado ɔfrɛ wɔn da ɔnye wɔn rekasa wanja ntum wanye no ankasa wɔka ɛkyɛ ne de wayɛ busy
really.
Yeah, my interview one, my send the link in around so aba into Yaza able to me abo akere etifu ma we ma osi.
Well, Kojo, we share their pain. I'm sure say Ukraina na Moncho Otuakudo. We share every issues that they are raising. We share with them. We are with them. As a matter of fact, but Kojo, this is the number one person on the land.
I agree with you. There is there is gravity to it. It is a grave situation. for them to refuse to speak to the president, it is it's a big gesture. Nemo more patching there. Listen to what's the president or Bessini ko Axim about Western region Hano or Bessini ko Axim. Axim no model there police full investigation now worry one day. Now was in Moframano was a one baby. When Tunana is one fee, one baho, one best one. In one and one ebusiafon is the way out. There are police for a banoa catcher on them be a winning and one banning be a win. The man of fun our best when you know them time in a president, up there on your wounds in command. And one is it one cajin to mend one cajin to a china. In someone will say it is a very serious matter.
Very serious.
For a citizen to refuse to speak to the president. But that's what happened last night.
So, in effect, forgive me, but you said,
what's there? What's the can? Police one by them if you now was one by them be one fan brand. And one hour will be one DNA test. What are they being? We feel the police for the way I handle them cases on yet there have been failures. Internal we feel there or there. Wasn't one
okay, but the family keeps talking about lapses or opposed for Juma Ayenim. Am I specific with certain personalities or procedures? Be almost say, I'm and get it to unexpected end as it stands now.
Well, they mentioned several examples. Odukan, watch right there. Arrest in Ankasa of the first suspect, Samuel Wills. The man arresting one back at the time and one walker reported there one the share Iowa. When one bar root question or 4th December 2018. Walker reported police for one watch the police for 1 2 and a month. Odu baby no ye BNI phone wasn't information there. Walker share phone records. Oh yeah, when I want to watch the ransom no phone records. And sana one there the man Brent Samuel Wills or you involved. 22nd December. Walker fan, sir. Order sales for 5 days. And Ogani.
Yeah.
In fact, order sales from 22nd to 30th in Ogani into 8 days. Ogani, so 5 days later, no work kitchen. Work kitchen the baby, a work kitchen. A Fraban Nentar, yeah, the final victim Nentar, who one in Chenho. Nina, come on, again there, or a possible demo from me, Waka baby. Ma, as some there are some more suspect of a catcher on the woods, and one Ankasa one investigation, verifying facts. Why yet, ma, some wolves can be on what you do. Some wolves, some from Nigeria, no one about some microphone, why catch your man there. We know where the girls are. Oh, I bring one from when anyone could girls. We feel that these are all monumental lapses. Out to the police for 1 year when they do my year. And one when I get much when you. These are some of the examples.
So, Abusuafono says, "CIA said, yeah, a idea one who say one be counter a text."
In fact, we be 1 hour one text, one second in Biuna. And 1 hour will be per day, will be one test.
Takrade situation, we're saying, Omoji news, is saying.
In fact, to them, there is a heavy cloud over the Twin Cities. Sunday, this is not how they expected this to end. Sebekaya, Mbira ya Bahinara, Yaka Samano Yakako, Yakamba Yinara, Mobiara Zikatunye there. There has always been hope until last night when the police brought an end to hope. In Tiwama,
but Aposifono, that's so any Abusiafono, a dinkitawana.
Anything you do, Wabaho Bobaman, Ufihono, when you want to see in Kitahumbiara view. Damna Busiafono or catcher.
And pay Penibia Emma ho.
Oh, and the pay any can could do or join news can could do would be.
But Unyant, yes, probably opinion leaders, influential people in society in Takrad, Nebudu Musana Montu, Omoko, and a Wanako
Yenya, the Mumbueno, Nemum, ma Ebusiafono waka catching yen there. Were Bayer press conference 9 a.m. It was dear Bene Market Square, dear Bene community, Ebusiafono, my question Ebusiafono, what's
any update? Posting now Ebusiafono Susu say, Obuama, a year, the OD said to trust me, Adriani Yeno. Any update on him?
The last we heard of those police officers, now what transfer won't we be? What transfer one? As I would worry, Ghana police. In fact, Ghana police for what chain off recording it there. Transfer has nothing to do with the escape.
The transfer,
the transfer has nothing to do with the escape. In relation to the escape, as far as we know, there have been no sanctions leveled at any police officers, or no sanctions have been communicated publicly.
Is this from the family or an official communique from Takrady Police?
Well, we have sources in Takrady Police who have not given us any information about sanctions. Takrady Police has not given any official communication about sanctions. So, as I said, there is no information about sanctions. No sanctions have been communicated to the public. The only activity we are aware of in there, 2 officers were transferred one. But the police tell us that these transfers have nothing to do with the escape.
Okay, and we another matter altogether. You better but I'm found a differently because we didn't come on say atadie bi na ehye nkwadaa ne baako ekohu ha ekohu ha twasanfo nyini kire ye nkwadaa ne mo hu de wo hin na atadie ekohu wo se sales no se ekohu abrante no se bi yesusu odi se to trasem no nkwadaa ne mo de wo hin
oye last victim na oye we no wo friend no Priscilla Mantibia Crunchy.
Okay,
on Wednesday 15 oye student ewo and the or secondary school na ono oye we no in fact or crowd will fear there or walk or Crawford Junction waba na okoya wambebium na ono na tara no she no yin aza oza chichiru ni tu Samuel Wills was watching 22nd December. Priscilla Crunchy or you 21st December. See, a day you know as a chiarana watching Samuel Wills. In Torchede, so you know quite there Samuel Wills now. Okum girls here. Or today, Oku girls now and son were back in 22nd, no. So you also know one maybe an accomplices na wuku one is ono yeruntum yenche. Nemum watching the 22nd no Ogoni on the 30th. Once a Samsonimu on the 4th of January 2019. Now wakachin wa uncompleted building bimu. Na them building no well oye bura wo ho. Now watching no wahwehwe ho no wo entire was it entire backshare ebusiafo no Priscilla Crunchy ne papa our friend Mr. Alexander Crunchy oji to me den no kwa no pa ne entire na ohye ozitifi no on na dem of January now once asan so Samuel Wills no mu no what search ho a wo hu the entire no one search bi anka ho o Sunday last month yara ena wasa na ekohwe ho no wuhu be bones wo well nimu why who DNA test or check that the bones no so eka 4 girls no 4 missing girls no
wow
inti oche de edana wuhu ntare no wo ho no one search bura nimu one search well nimu last month ena wo searching ena wuhu elementary.
So probability say na nkwara no te ase kopem say ebia o escape menka say o break jail so break cell na o de call baby okoy no ana okoy fast sebe eku nkwara no na o de omusi ya na ana na okokata na chikura prekope.
Well, are possible. CCR no my yenyi there somewhere else ocha akoshi honestly yenyim osan there market catch police fu nyina wan kosihwe ozi kan catch on the girls no wo kaswa wo ko ho we hu hon or small one wo ko forudia the girls no ho we hu hon o catch on the girls no Nigeria we hu hon wo ho enti ma okay biara no nya no kwar nanso mo be ke biara police fu wo zechi.
I see. But finally, yani abin for no gusu kasa. But abusha for no kasa for no, they are wondering whether within this space of time now at the NIC, you know, one no addition bit me I don't pay kwabo sana. That's another thing. Yen nimdie and nimdie for no church say but oko home so what is an common biana?
Oh yeah, that busia for no one jinzi there. Nipa botum wa decompose wa kambiu in them time ya mo from no why you no no ya za to them eken no dey ma benfo wo kire hen so ya za obotum waste body si ogu septic tank human waste na zugu ho inti ya za dey wo kire hen na benfo no wotum wo kire hen say obotum waste then in that period of time nipa obotu wa prowa ma waka nimbiewa na azekuru so ibusuafo no wogina dunta won jinzi there oye won mba na nsa kan won wo septic tank no no enye there what's the girls no ko ne mesh wo hu ne mesh oye hair braids rasta wo bi wo septic tank no ribbon obum or yasema yin na yetse the CID boss no orca police watch Ghana police watch TV show no do there will brasta ribbons boom now say if a pictures girls no one pictures ibo wo there akor na why rasta ribbons boom or your Ruth la question na rasta no rasta ribbons boom. Now so root love question nebusian for catching and them picture no ya picture that do e da root ofifie no more rasta ribbon bia nyini too into what would you not honor so do was a cadet one jeans there or a one back.
I see
Maybe winner saka well a septic tank no.
Well, Kwajo Yankson, Maena was it, and then thank you also for the effort. Also, all this accuracy in terms of information. Odebre or multimedia, all our platforms. We are grateful. But the American say, uwe bibia, menu wo bibia say. Do we now nam kwanso now ba? Uwe bibia no. The say menu ye no nam kwanso ba now deba.
Martin na ase. Yeah, me sure.
Okay, Kojo Jackson. And what is here no Edin Komono. Sad one indeed, but that's the reality as we speak now. War Takrade. Intimidity say you know your contribution and now you be lines in their name also ya dini ebufu na akashia. Ana mojashio na enso akasi ni. Ana you can say nipa nso aboto kakra oso wura takrade kro ma ohun se enye normal e hona e bibia e oba it's understandable yeah it's understandable so tiase because abusua kasama for nkwade oti kra ye mechicho obese suwure so besa awo because baby ono keka ne nsem fa no enye bi ni de se bia bia
eye yawo
de bema de enti aye agya nyankopon e de aba ha se ye kasa ne se
ya no bi albakai a former moderator yawo okrasi yawo
unim eba say na nipa no de ahometie ne yawo mo a okasa na mo na okaya kwala no mo na okai said the obi ni nani ni ye
ana yenso adwuma ayeyi yentimi ntwa sa nkomodie no so da enti na Ghana baabia na ubie radio uhwe TV ukọ internet so baabia ye wo ba odehie onana I can imagine
efobia ho asema ti se na efobia ho enne unse yedi kan chi akwada baiwa baako na akwada otoso mienu na busuafo ennim se daachi bi wo mo so bebe ka ho ene ye che no ene ye san chi another one third one no time ye che first one and second one na yedi ho nkoma na wo mo nka ho na omunnim se ebi ba beto wo mo saa netie wonim da ebetimi ato enti na no yenka ho asam no yiye na yenhu baabi antokro no bededaaye na so wo chena beto wa yehunu dia wo say ye.
Okay, so apart from Tadi girls story now
which person dey ebi wo ho na some mampanyini me ba some mampanyini be frɛ obi pa na busua betimi akase mampanyini nie wono ne gina homa ne so no enso mene ne nkasa no
no matter any braba
na any braba
but no matter akoma no ntina nyame adomo ma bibi e fere nhyeso so atase because nipa no uhunu kwa na obo tete o na mo nhyeso nti o hye ho so at nyese nka opese de kasa because baby odu no ohun se ni braba ba nhyeso nti
o man nhyeso no wo ho enso e wo se empanyufo timi de wo se o moye
amaye won se yese nipa nim ti se krochi amansa se mampani gina wo manimu a nkebe ye den
setua jai
wo de me yemfa de bonka
jai wo de enko de wo kra time o fo ni brabro wa ha se mampani
asama security for me ensa na wo mada anajo ade a chi ye the same Rambo style na ye dikun wei eno an ye dikum ye tutu wanim
mamunja ye hihye bi anto so asama de na ba
enti e kire se ene e wo se e do pacho
you're causing confusion. See my baby forgetting my yes. They are trying to separate the love that I'm